other part of country. They are very fascinated about sari, and there are different kind of saris that are registered as a geographical indication in Bengal, and probably Bengal is the only states which is having more than 2 or 3 geographical indications for sari only. So that is very fascinating. Again, this it is a Sikki grass product of Bihar that is also registered GI. So moment next time you see some products, if your mind starts thinking about the geographical position of those products, so I would feel that my lecture was successful. Now this, if you guess, I don't know if you are guessing right, but this is Bhagalpuri silk. It is coming from Bihar. So actually the idea was, so I was delivering a lecture in Jharkhand. I have understood that most of the people will be from Jharkhand, so they would be able to identify these things. So this probably you must be knowing. And which part is very famous in India for this lychee? Any guess? No. It is Rahi lychee, and this is a geographical indication of Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Again, this is Katarni rice. This is also a geographical indication. Makhana. This is also a registered geographical indication. Now this is Mithila painting. So with this, we should let me show you one video of 1 or 2 minutes that is regarding geographical indication. Just confirm me if you are able to see the screen. I hope it is visible and audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
चिंदी चोर के साथ घमासान के बाद अब आईपी नानी बिजी हो गई अपनी पोती की शादी की तैयारियों में। संगीत वाले दिन जब छोटू उनसे मिला तो
वाओ नानी, आप तो बिल्कुल छाए हुए हो। आपके सामने तो मधुबाला को भी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाए।
ओए, मस्का लगाना बंद कर। ये बता तुझे क्या चाहिए?
नानी, आपने तो मेरा दिल ही तोड़ दिया। क्या एक प्यारा सा लाडला सा बच्चा अपने नानी को कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी नहीं दे सकता?
अच्छा चल, एक्सेप्ट किया तेरा कॉम्प्लीमेंट। अब बता तुझे क्या चाहिए?
मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बस आपके हाथ की वो स्पेशल वाली चाय पीनी है।
बस इतनी सी बात के लिए इतना बड़ा मस्का?
मस्का नहीं नानी, आप आज सचमुच बहुत ही रॉकिंग लग रही हो। ये साड़ी आप पर बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही है।
अरे ये तो स्पेशल लखनवी चिकनकारी है। लखनवी चिकनकारी पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर है। ये अपनी खूबसूरत और बारीक एम्ब्रॉयडरी के काम के लिए फेमस है। लेकिन पता है इसकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत क्या है?
क्या है?
ये एक रजिस्टर्ड जीआई है।
जीआई? वो क्या होता है नानी?
जीआई का मतलब होता है जियोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस, हिंदी में जिसे भौगोलिक उपदर्शन कहते हैं। ये किसी समुदाय का बौद्धिक अधिकार है, वो विरासत जिन्हें प्रोटेक्ट और एनकरेज करने की बहुत आवश्यकता है। मुख्यतः इन टाइप्स में रजिस्टर्ड होती है: नेचुरल गुड्स, मैन्युफैक्चर्ड गुड्स, टेक्सटाइल्स, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स, फूड स्टफ।
अच्छा।
चल अब ना किचन में चलते हैं और गर्मा गर्म चाय बनाते हैं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
किचन की ओर जाते हुए नानी ने छोटू को अपना देश घुमा दिया।
छोटू।
जी नानी।
ये देख, ये पेंटिंग देख। ये एक मधुबनी पेंटिंग है, बिहार की, और ये है हिमाचल की कांगड़ा पेंटिंग। तेरे नानू को देश की कला और संस्कृति से जुड़ी हुई चीजों को इकट्ठा करने का बहुत शौक है।
अच्छा।
ये कठपुतलियां देख रहा है?
हाँ।
ये राजस्थान की हैं। इसी तरह छत्तीसगढ़ से बस्तर ढोकरा, आंध्र प्रदेश से तिरुपति लड्डू, असम से मूंगा सिल्क, नागालैंड से नागा मिर्च और मध्य प्रदेश के बाघ प्रिंट, ये सब रजिस्टर्ड जीआईज हैं।
ओके।
ये हमारे देश की कला और संस्कृति का प्रतीक हैं। हमारे देश में हुनर और कला का इतना भंडार है कि अभी से ही 300 से ज्यादा रजिस्टर्ड जीआईज हैं।
वाओ नानी।
चल, अब तू चाय बनाने में मेरी मदद कर। एक बर्तन में पानी ले और उबालने के लिए रख।
यस बॉस।
पता है छोटू, तुझे मेरे हाथ की चाय इतनी पसंद क्यों है?
क्यों है नानी?
क्योंकि ये स्पेशल दार्जिलिंग की चाय है। ये देश की सबसे पहली रजिस्टर्ड जीआई है, जो 2004 में रजिस्टर्ड हुई थी।
लेकिन नानी एक बात बताओ, इन जीआई से फायदा क्या होता है?
देखो छोटू, ज्यादातर जीआईज गांव के समुदाय के होते हैं। इनसे कारीगरों, बुनकरों, किसानों की आमदनी बढ़ती है। उनको अपनी मेहनत का सही दाम मिलता है और उन वस्तुओं की डिमांड भी बढ़ती है। साथ साथ खरीदने वालों को भी विश्वास हो जाता है कि वो एक जेन्युइन चीज खरीद रहे हैं।
ओह, वैसे नानी मुझे एक आइडिया आया है।
अरे वाह छोटू, तेरे को आइडिया?
यस नानी, अगले महीने फॉरेन से मेरे कुछ दोस्त आ रहे हैं। क्यों ना मैं उन्हें हमारे देश के कुछ सुंदर जीआई प्रोडक्ट्स गिफ्ट में दूं?
ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है छोटू। उन्हें ये चीजें जरूर पसंद आएंगी और हमारे देश की कला का नाम भी होगा।
देखा नानी, आपकी संगत में मैं कितना इंटेलिजेंट हो गया हूँ।
हाँ भाई, ये बात तो है।
और इस तरह एक बार फिर आईपी नानी ने आईपीआर का झंडा ऊंचा लहरा दिया।
Okay, I hope you people have liked the video. So we are almost at the end of our presentation. Only topic that is left is about copyrights. This one is Silau Khaja from Bihar. Now we'll see in short a name or sign used on products which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin. This is what the legal definition of geographical indication is. And for curiosity, you can see actually this was the image selfie taken by this monkey, and there was lot of hue and cry. Who will protect of this? Because normally photo or these kind of things, artistic and literature works, they are all covered under copyrights. Okay, so David Slater was a person whose camera was used in this, and these are Wikimedia's comments and Take Dirt are two different organizations who have actually copied this photo and pasted on their website. So there was a legal fight between these two firms and David Slater. So it was ruled by the court that since this is a selfie taken by this particular monkey, the IP rights would not belong to anyone. Okay, it has to be given only to a person who has taken a photo or a form which for which a photographer works. So there were people for ethical treatment of animals, a kind of activist group. They have told that at least with this photo, whatsoever the income comes, let that go to the benefit of these apes and all. But it was not agreed upon by the court, and it was held that only natural persons or the company can own the copyrights. Now, for the copyrights, there are different categories like patronage books, speeches, manual, journals, papers, then music and lyrics. There are different 6 parts, okay, or 6 types for which the copyright is copyright protection is given. Now, the one question that is very relevant to you scientists and researchers, Like you write many number of papers, you are an author of a paper, you communicate to a journal, and the journal publishes that particular paper. So can you provide a copy of that paper to your colleagues? What is your view? Any one of you, even the organizers also, if you can reply to this, can you share a copy of research paper that you are authoring and you have communicated to some journal and journal has published it?
Maybe for knowledge sharing purpose, I can share, but I should not monetize, commercial aspect. There should not be any.
Okay, that is one of the answer. Any other answer if anybody wants to? See, basically you cannot share. Moment you have communicated to the journal and probably you agree to some terms and conditions of the journals. So I believe 99% of journals are paid journals. They are not free. So they will give you some amount when they are able to monetize it, but you cannot share a copy of it. So if there is such practice like that, please try to desist from that. That is not legally correct. So with this, I have covered most of the part of intellectual property right that I wanted to. Let me tell you that there could be different kind of IPs in a single product. Like see, this is an Apple laptop. There could be a trademark on top. There could be a patent portion like liquid crystal displays used or light emitting diode displays used. Body of the laptop, that is one of the aspects that is covered in design. User manual, that is covered in copyrights. Then layout of integrated circuit, that is covered under semiconductor and integrated circuit layout designs. And these are the website that you're supposed to visit in. And further, I would suggest you to attend IPR programs, attend online courses on IPR. There are fantastic courses online also to learn more about these. As far as the career prospects are concerned, yes, science graduates, they can literally do drafting. Like I have shown you content of the specification. Because you are having the good scientific knowledge, with some trainings and all, you can be a very good drafter. You can literally draft a patent application. You can become a patent agent. Patent agents are literally a person, just like you have seen lawyers in courts. So in courts, you generally don't go to fight your case. Lawyers do. Why? Because lawyers have all kinds of knowledge of law. So patent agents are some qualified person who have knowledge of Patents Act. They will draft for you. They will prosecute your application in front of controllers like us. So there could be IP lawyers when there is a dispute of patents, designs, and trademarks, anything. Then it finally ends up going to the court. So in the court, there needs to be lawyers who can literally uh, make aware the court about the scientific things, scientific aspects of the patents or designs, or if there are copyrights and all. He should be able to tell a judge in a clear manner so that a dispute resolution could be done through the decision of the court. Then other graduates in law, they can become trademark agent. Again, they will be having good idea about the trademark law. They can become litigant. They can become IP lawyer. Also, a science graduate can become examiner of patents and design. Graduates in law can become examiner of trademarks and geographical indication, and also examiner of copyrights. Okay. So with this, I thank you, and I'm open to questions if there are any. Before that, there is one more video for 1 minute, so I would like to play it. Meanwhile, you guys can think about if you're having any question. So the last 1 minute on my side. I hope the sound is there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Thank you. You can ask questions if you have any.
All right, now we've opened this platform for questions. The participants can turn on their video. If you want to ask any question, they can switch on their mic and speak to us. Well, there are no questions. Overall, it's a very good session. I would like to take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks. Thank you for choosing to be with us. It's been interesting, informative, and insightful IP session so far. Now we come to an end of this August gathering. Before we wind up, a few words of warmth and gratitude. On behalf of CSIR and CSIR-NML, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed speakers, Professor H. Purushottam sir and Mr. Kundan Kumar. The quality and contents of the lectures are really appreciable, particularly Professor Purushottam sir, global IP insights and impact of knowledge-based economy in our life. Mr. Kundan Kumar, curious case studies are really incredible, I would say. It's very rare listening to a controller of patents who is from metallurgy and metal science background. Being at National Metallurgical Laboratory, we could very much relate to your lecture, sir. The event of national importance would not have been possible without the support and approval of our respected director, Dr. Avnish Kumar Srivastava. We also thank Head RPBT Division, Dr. Sidil Kumar Pal, Chief Scientist, for his constant motivation, guidance throughout this program, which is immeasurable. We thank the people of CSIR-NML, especially all divisional heads, group leaders, administration, stores and purchase, finance, credit division, and canteen staff who have been the backbone of this program. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants from various walks of life who joined us today through MS Teams, YouTube live streaming, Facebook, and in person today at Lecture Hall from different parts of this country. Thank you one and all. Have a great evening.
We take a leave now. Can we take a leave now, Mr. Rao?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.